There they are. I'm spying in the window. Hey Princess Squad, it's T here. I am sitting outside of Five Below waiting for them to open because today is Squishmallow release day. They are going to have my favorite Disney villain, Maleficent, and I need her in my life. So I'm just waiting and I'm so excited. I've been waiting all week for this. So here's Five Below and nobody's in line. So here I am standing in line, nobody behind me. They're probably like, oh my gosh, this crazy girl. I think everyone is sitting in their car. But first one in line. There they are. I'm spying in the window. I have a feeling I'm going to need a cart, so I'm gonna grab one. And oh my goodness, there it is, the official release of the Disney Squishmallows. This is Maleficent, my favorite villain, my favorite Disney character. They also have Ursula, Moana, Ariel from The Little Mermaid, Princess Jasmine, Tiana, Pua, and the Genie. I'm going to get 2 for me and 2 as gifts. I'm so unbelievably happy right now. Maleficent, my favorite. Squishmallow did such a wonderful job. She looks so good and pretty. This is her tag. All right, while I'm here, let's just shop at Five Below and do a Five Below haul. Oh my goodness, this Tsum Tsum is so cute. I am Groot. Lots of Easter stuff, summer stuff, fidgets. Oh, this is so cute. Mystery bun, ramen, smoothie slime. They even have icy slime. This is so cool. This lollipop slime, warhead slime. They have Sailor Moon, my favorite, add to cart. There's also Stitch. All this Easter stuff. There's Care Bear, adding it to my cart. There's also lip balm Reese's and Oreos. They also have the summer section with a whole bunch of chalk. This macaroon chalk is so adorable. I love the colors. And of course they have my favorite, a pineapple, adding to the cart. And this is so cute. I love this flower. Someone explained to me, what are these? Clogs, would you wear them? And then we have the plant section. This section makes me so happy. I love this heart LED light. And they have curtains, and oh, this plant area makes me so happy. We have our fidget area. This is such a pretty Atom fidget. I love the colors. And then we also have so many crayons. I had no idea that they had Jolly Rancher scented crayons, Fruit Loop cereal crayons, and even skin tone crayons. Oh my goodness, Warhead crayons. Okay, does it really smell like it? Let's see. Like kind of smells like it. Let's test this one. Okay, this one definitely smells like Warheads. Jolly Ranchers. This one smells like it. All right, clay cracking kit. This sounds kind of cool. Would you get the desserts, the fruits and vegetables, or the animals? Adding it to my cart. Also, if you love Hello Kitty, this section is for you. There are so many cute kits and DIY sets. I love it. Now we have this section here that reminds me of our good friend Dr. Squish. She loves it so much. What do you guys think of my new hat? I think it'll look better on her. And they also have a really huge anime area if you love anime, and lots of Easter candy. This is so jumbo, but it won't be Easter without Peeps. I think I'm going to get this one here, adding it to my cart. Last, it wouldn't be a successful trip to Five Below without checking out their candy area. There are so many different unique candies in this section, and I just love it so much. Candy heaven. It's a good day. Five Below bag secured. Oh, happy day. I'm so happy right now, you guys. Can't believe I got Maleficent. I did get a few, 2 for myself, 1 for my house and 1 for the office, and then 2 as gifts. But yeah, I'm so excited right now. Thanks for joining me on this quick vlog to Five Below, and I will see you guys next time. Follow me on my social media at PrincessSquad.Official on Instagram and TikTok, and always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!